You're joking. Should I or should I not unbox the light up wedding dress? I feel like that's what you guys are probably waiting for the most, and of course I have to deliver. I don't want to keep you guys waiting. I guess let's just intercept the Amazon dresses. Let's put them on a pause. We are now gonna unbox this bad boy. This is a really special wedding dress. This is from a brand called Lumi Sonata, which is a Chinese brand. They specialize in light up products, and I've actually tested out one of these dresses a few years back, and you guys literally fell in love with it, and so did I. When I was a teenager, I saw this. I think this was like an actress or some kind of celebrity that wore a dress like this to a red carpet event, and I just fell in love. It literally gave me all the Cinderella vibes, and that is what I strive for, so I just needed to try out another dress from them. So I haven't unboxed this one yet. We're gonna do it together on camera. I am so stinking excited. Okay, so here it is. This is how it comes in its own little dust bag. I have to say, these dresses are not cheap. These are basically around $1,000 plus. Now this is depending on what style you get. I got one of the more basic designs, but I mean, it's still absolutely stunning, and it still has that same light up fabric. The fabric is actually made from fiber optics, so these are so like inconspicuous. You would never even think that this dress is a light up dress. Okay, here it is. This is the dress. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my gosh, I actually prefer this style way better than the first one I ever got. This one is a very basic, like strappy kind of style, whereas the first one I got was quite like modest. It had like the lace on the chest area, but I way prefer this. The straps are really, really nice and stretchy. They're white, so they just go with the whole dress. The back of the dress then laces up like so, as you guys can see, and from there, it's basically just a super, super poofy, volumized princess dress. I feel like I'm not doing this dress absolutely any justice by just holding it up like this. It has so much volume. It's really heavy, like just to hold up like this. It's also got cups built in on the inside of the dress, which is amazing. Inside the dust bag, there was also this little pouch, which basically has the lace up kind of string. It's got a remote, and it's also got some battery packs. Literally, what age do we live in where a wedding dress has a remote? Like, that is the coolest thing ever. I mean, let's just say the party starts when this dress is turned on, so let's go try it on and see what happens. Okay, so here is the dress. Oh my god, this is literally the most gorgeous dress I've ever seen. It's just so simple and just really classic and pretty, and it's making me feel like an actual princess, and it hasn't even been turned on yet. I feel like it's a very elegant design, don't you guys think? It's just very simple. There's not really much going on. I mean, there is a little bit going on the back. This lace-up detail is so to die for. My personal favorite thing about this dress is definitely all of the volume. Now, I know I always say in every video that I try on wedding dresses that I just love fishtail dresses, but things like this really do change my mind. I just love all the volume. This is so gorgeous. Also, they do custom make these, so you can actually have them like without the straps if you would prefer. Personally though, because I do remember from the first dress that it tends to be a little bit like heavy, I just thought straps would be a good idea. To be honest though, like at a first glance and even just wearing it now, it doesn't feel any different from just wearing a regular dress. The fabric is a little bit more structured and rigid because obviously it's got the fiber optics inside it, but it doesn't feel like way more heavier or anything like that. I guess it's time. Let's turn the lights off and let's turn on the dress. Okay, so I've turned off all the lights in the room. I've got my remote right here. So 3, 2, 1. You're joking. Oh my actual god. This is literally gorgeous. It literally reminds me of like Cinderella's dress or Little Mermaid's dress when she comes out the sea and it's just all glistening. It is so stunning. I feel like this dress will just fulfill any Disney princess lover's dreams. It is so magical. And this is just the one mode that it's on. It's got the one color, but you could change it to blue, you could change it to red, you could change it to green. There's so many different color options. On the remote, it's also got an auto button so you can turn it on and it will literally just go like rainbow. Like, how cool is this? Oh my gosh, it is a proper party up in here. This dress is so stunning. I cannot get over it. Like, imagine this dress on your wedding day and you're literally like jamming on the dance floor and you are the party. This is so beautiful. It makes me think of like the Disney illuminations, don't you guys think? Oh my actual god. I'm just letting it do its own thing now. It is just so freaking cool. I'm literally considering wearing this dress as like my second dress in the evening of our wedding because it is just that special. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up as well so you can really see all the little fibers and what it looks like up close. So that is what the dress looks like in the dark and in the light. I'm honestly in love with this. I'm genuinely giving this one a 10 out of 10.